Hi guys, this is Chris and welcome to Conversion Chef. In this channel, we talk about Shopify applications to increase your conversion. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button so that you won't miss any of our YouTube updates. You may also check the description below for the links of the applications we review. Please also visit our review blog, conversionskitchen.com, and mailing list conversionchef.club. Let's jump into the video. In this video, we are going to talk about the Seguno email marketing application. This app enables you to send newsletters and other automated campaigns to your customers. I am going to show you the different features of this application and how to create a newsletter. So let's get started. As you can see, we are now on the dashboard of the Seguno email marketing application. And on the dashboard, you can see here the different features such as the newsletters where you can create and send an email to your existing subscribers. The automations, you may also enable and manage your automated follow-up emails. There are also these templates, your subscribers, the settings, and the change log. So let's go and create a newsletter. So to create a newsletter, you may refer to this video tutorial, but I'm going to show you how to create a newsletter. So just click the button here, the create newsletter. To start creating your newsletter, you may first find or choose a template. You may also choose this blank template. But for now, let's say that we would like to feature a product. So just click that and you will be directed in this customizer. So let's say that we would like this as our featured product. So your subject, just customize it according to your campaign or newsletter. So you may this is the template that we have chosen a while back, and just select the products. Let's say we would like to feature this collection or product. Now you may change that or remove it, and below that is the discount. So you just have to create a discount on Shopify, on this section of the Shopify, and just put it on the discount code. But for now, since we do not have a discount, let's just say that there's no discount. So just if you're good with the informations in these fields, just click create newsletter. After creating your newsletter, you will be directed on this one. So this is how it looks like. You have here your store name, the message or description, which you can always customize, and the feature products. You also have here the other bestsellers, which is automatically created, and the unsubscribe button. And unsubscribe button is still a great feature on your newsletter, because you may want to fill out or filter out those customers that really brings sales to your store. Now, to customize your newsletter or the design of your newsletter, just click on customize. So you will be directed to a drag and drop customizer. If you want to change anything from these newsletters, then just click on each section and customize them. You may also change the theme settings, your background image, the colors, the typography, the buttons, and whatnot. So if you're good with the newsletter and had changes with it, just click on this save button. As you can see on the right side of your customizer, you have here the different settings. So you have here the scheduling. You may edit when would you like to send your newsletter. You may also send it now, or you may edit your recipients and the discount of this featured product. So that's just how to create a newsletter, and you may always schedule that or just send now to all your subscribers. Let's go and see how the automations work. In the automations, you can find here a video tutorial how to start with the automations feature of this application. And below that, these are the automations that you may create or you may customize. And the automations are just basically triggered by the different activities of your subscribers or customers on your store. So we have here the welcome automation. So this welcomes new subscribers and introduce them to your brand. You also have here the different commerce activities like the abandoned checkout and many more. So you may also have here the tag triggered and the kit skills. So let's see one of the commerce activity. Once your customers has abandoned their cart, then you can automate an email to follow up your customers. So let's try and customize this feature or automation. To activate this automation, just click on this button or enable this. So you may set here the conditions. The automation starts for a subscriber after abandoning a checkout. You may always edit that. So let's say that wait 1 hour then send. So let's try and see that. The Seguno application suggests that the automated email or abandoned cart checkout follow-up should be at least 30 minutes after the customer abandoned his or her checkout. So let's say that this should be 1 hour. Okay, save. And just customize these conditions. So at the end, the automation ends for a subscriber. Once an order is placed, online items are out of stock or the email has been sent. So that's just how to create your automations. So this is a great feature of this application because this would not only follow up your customers, but this also increases your sales or conversion rate once they have get back or once they go back to your store. Now, I suggest that you go over these different automations so that it would help your stores in increasing your sales as well as your conversion rates. To summarize this Seguno email marketing application, this application helps you increase more your sales or your conversion rate through newsletters or email marketing. You can also make use of the automations feature of this application, and there are many templates available for your email marketing campaigns. So I guess that's everything about the Seguno email marketing. If you want to install this application, just look for the link on the description below and install it now. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and share this video, and we are happy to hear from you on the comment section. Visit our YouTube channel Conversion Chef for more videos about reviews of Shopify applications that can help you increase or boost your sales. You may also check the description below for the links of the applications and our mailing list. If you haven't subscribed yet, just hit that subscribe button as well as the bell to be notified with our new updates. I hope to see you on the next video. Bye!